Okay, here is your day 19 spiral review. Let's look over here. It looks like it's starting with number 4. Which of the following numbers has the digit 3 in a place value position that is 10 times the value of the digit 3 in the number 675,923 and 5/100ths? Okay, let's move over here. Looks like there's a number 1 next to it. Farah wrote the following number: 8 times 100 plus 7 times 100th plus 3 times 1 plus 5 times 10. How is this number represented in standard notation? Don't forget to pause as needed. Okay, number 2, write the following number in standard form: 8 10 millions, 9 1 millions, 67 10,000ths, 4 tenths. Make sure to use your place value chart. Okay, and then number 3 over here. At what point on the ruler is the dashed line? And don't forget to number your ruler.